I know what it feels like to have tired, aching legs that just won't cooperate. There was a time when walking up the stairs felt like a workout and standing for too long made my legs feel swollen and heavy. I blamed it on aging, long work hours, and maybe not stretching enough. But then I learned something shocking: my diet was working against me. What if I told you that simple, natural foods could transform your legs, helping you feel lighter, stronger, and pain-free? That's exactly what happened to me. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful foods that can restore your leg strength, improve circulation, and prevent discomfort. These are backed by science and have helped me and countless others. Stick around until the end because I'll share a powerful homemade drink that can naturally supercharge your circulation. Let's get started. I used to think beets were just another vegetable, but once I started drinking beet juice, my leg strength and energy improved dramatically. And here are why beet is a game changer. It boosts oxygen to your legs. Beets are rich in natural nitrates, which help widen blood vessels and improve oxygen delivery to muscles. A study from Washington University found that beet juice improves endurance and muscle performance by up to 20%. Beet reduces swelling and fatigue. If your legs feel heavy, swollen, or cramp quickly, beets help improve blood circulation, reducing water retention and inflammation. It also lowers blood pressure. Poor circulation can often lead to high blood pressure. Beets have been shown to relax blood vessels, improving blood flow to the legs and heart. How do you use beets daily? Drink fresh beet juice 3 to 4 times a week. If the taste is too strong, mix it with carrot or apple juice for a sweeter flavor. Roast beets and add them to salads with olive oil and goat cheese. Blend into smoothies with ginger, lemon, and berries for an energy-boosting drink. Tip: if you're new to beets, start with small amounts to allow your body to adjust. I've always loved ginger tea, but I had no idea it could improve circulation and leg strength until I started using it daily. One would ask, why does ginger work wonders? Ginger improves blood flow. It acts as a natural blood thinner, preventing clots and circulation blockages. If you experience cold feet, tingling, or numbness, ginger helps warm your extremities. Please try it. It fights inflammation and pain. Ginger's anti-inflammatory compounds reduce swelling in veins and arteries, improving overall leg health. Also, ginger prevents varicose veins. Sitting for long hours can cause poor circulation, leading to swollen veins. And ginger helps prevent and reduce varicose veins naturally. These are how to add ginger to your diet. Drink ginger tea daily. Boil 3 slices of fresh ginger in water for 10 minutes and enjoy. Add freshly grated ginger to meals. It blends well with soups, stir-fries, and smoothies. Use ginger powder in herbal teas and detox drinks. Tip: drinking ginger tea after meals also aids digestion and prevents bloating. Brazil nuts are not just tasty but essential for strong veins and healthy circulation. Why Brazil nuts are so effective? Rich in selenium for vein strength, Brazil nuts contain selenium, which keeps veins elastic and strong, reducing varicose veins and poor circulation. Protects blood vessels. Research from the University of São Paulo found that selenium reduces inflammation in arteries, improving blood flow to the legs. Reduces bad cholesterol. Brazil nuts contain healthy fats that help reduce cholesterol buildup in arteries, improving circulation and oxygen flow. Here is how to eat Brazil nuts for blood circulation. Eat 1 to 2 Brazil nuts daily. This is the ideal amount to meet your selenium needs. Chop them into salads or oatmeal for a nutrient boost. Blend them into smoothies for a creamy, rich texture. Tip: don't overeat Brazil nuts. Too much selenium can be harmful. Stick to 1 to 2 per day for safe and effective results. As promised, here's a simple yet powerful homemade drink that can supercharge your circulation naturally. The ingredients you need are: 1 medium beet, chopped. 3 cm piece of fresh ginger, grated. 1 Brazil nut, crushed. Juice from half a lemon. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 cup water. To make that, blend all ingredients until smooth. Strain if desired, and enjoy fresh. Drink 3 to 4 times a week on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. This drink improves circulation, oxygenates muscles, and supports vein health, naturally and deliciously. Eating the right foods is essential, but your daily habits also play a massive role in circulation and leg strength. You need to move more. Avoid sitting for long periods, and stand up every 30 minutes and stretch. Stay hydrated because blood flow improves when you drink enough water daily. Reduce salt and processed foods. Too much sodium causes swelling and poor circulation. Elevate your legs. Rest your legs above heart level for better circulation. Always massage and dry brush your legs to stimulate blood vessels and prevent fluid buildup. Most people don't realize how much their daily routine impacts leg health. We tend to focus on what we eat, but how we move, how we rest, and even how we sit play just as significant a role in circulation. If you've ever felt heavy, swollen, or restless legs, your body sends you a message: it needs better circulation, oxygen, and movement. The good news? You can make simple, daily changes that will help keep your legs strong, pain-free, and energized. Here's the truth: you don't have to spend hours in the gym or do intense workouts to see a huge improvement. Even small, consistent habits can make a dramatic difference in how your legs feel. Let's go over a few more things that have helped me, and countless others, get rid of leg discomfort and improve circulation naturally. I used to wear tight jeans and snug socks without thinking twice. But what I didn't realize was that tight clothing restricts circulation, making it harder for blood to flow freely to the legs and back to the heart. If you often wear tight jeans or leggings, compression shapewear all day, socks with tight elastic bands, and high heels or stiff, unsupportive shoes, then you might be making your circulation worse without realizing it. Instead, try wearing loose, breathable clothing, especially at home and when sleeping. Switching to comfortable socks that don't dig into your ankles. Choosing supportive shoes that allow natural foot movement. Let your blood flow freely, and your legs will feel lighter and healthier. One of my favorite tricks to improve leg circulation, especially after a long day, is alternating hot and cold water on my legs. Here's why it works. Heat therapy, like warm showers, heating pads, or hot foot soaks, relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Cold therapy, like ice packs or cool water, reduces inflammation and swelling, which helps if your legs feel puffy and heavy. At the end of your shower, alternate between 30 seconds of warm water and 10 seconds of cool water on your legs. Repeat 3 to 4 times. Soak your feet in a warm Epsom salt bath to help relax muscles and improve blood flow. Apply an ice pack if your legs feel swollen or inflamed after standing all day. This simple routine has made a huge difference for me, and I highly recommend trying it. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking they need intense exercise to improve circulation. The reality? A few minutes of stretching daily can do wonders. Stretching wakes up your muscles, increases flexibility, and helps blood move more efficiently. Here are simple stretches that take just 5 minutes a day but make a huge difference. 1. Ankle circles. Lift one leg and rotate your ankle clockwise and counterclockwise 10 times each. Repeat on the other side. 2. Toe raises. Stand up and lift your heels off the ground, standing on your toes for 5 seconds. Lower slowly and repeat 15 times. 3. Leg lifts. While sitting or lying down, raise one leg and hold for 10 seconds. Switch legs and repeat. 4. Calf stretches. Place your hands on a wall, step one foot back, and press your heel into the floor. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch. And don't forget about elevating your legs. Raise your legs above heart level for 10 to 15 minutes a day to help reduce swelling and encourage blood flow back to the heart. Pro tip: do this at night while watching TV or relaxing in bed. It's one of the easiest ways to help your circulation. If I had to recommend just one habit to start right now, it would be daily movement. I don't mean running a marathon or lifting heavy weights, just simple movement throughout the day to keep your circulation active. Take short walks after meals to help blood flow and prevent sluggishness. Move every 30 minutes if you sit for long periods, stand up, stretch, or march in place. Avoid crossing your legs for too long, as it can slow blood flow. The bottom line: your legs need movement to stay strong. Your legs do so much for you every single day, they deserve the best care possible. By making these small but powerful changes, you're not just improving circulation, you're boosting energy, reducing pain, and giving your body the care it needs. So tell me, which of these tips are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Your legs carry you through life, take care of them.